Emma Kate Burden. Hi, I've just completed the sheep heart dissection and I am ready to talk about it. So let me just put my gloves on. And I'm going to start with the left side of the heart first. So to start, you have the left atrium, left ventricle. You have the left ventricle wall, which is here. You have the endocardium of the left ventricle, the myocardium of the left ventricle, and the epicardium of the left ventricle. The endocardium is the innermost part, the myocardium is the middle part, and the epicardium is the most outer part. You have the spiderweb-like structures right here, which is the chordae tendineae. And then you have the mitral valve, which is here, and that is what separates the right or the left atrium from the left ventricle. And then also you have the aorta right here, and the aortic valve is just below it. And so now I'm going to move on to the right side of the heart. This is the interventricular septum. So to start, you have it's so hard to pull the right side apart. So you have the right atrium up here. You have the right ventricle down here. You have the chordae tendineae right here. Papillary muscles are back. Actually, a good view of papillary muscles. Let me see if I can. Papillary muscles right there, just kind of cool. Actually, very cool to see. And then you have the tricuspid valve in here, which separates the tricuspid valve in here, which separates the right atrium from the right ventricle. And a little bit about, and here is the right auricle, here is the left auricle, the aorta is here, and the interventricular sulcus, or the anterior interventricular sulcus, is right here, and the posterior ventricular sulcus is right here. I apologize for getting mixed up with my words. I think that is about it for the heart dissection video, or heart dissection. Thank you so much for watching.